2,000 years ago, the Romans built roads so strong that many still exist today. No machines, no modern tools, just stone, sweat, and brilliant engineering. Let's look at how they did it and why their roads are still legendary. The Romans didn't build randomly. They planned everything. Surveyors called agrimensores used a tool called a groma to create perfectly straight lines through hills, forests, even mountains. They lit bonfires on hilltops to line up the path. If a mountain stood in their way, they cut through it. If there was a swamp, they built a causeway. If there was a river, they built a bridge. To them, the shortest path was the right one. Once the route was set, the hard work began. They dug deep trenches, sometimes to bedrock. Then came the layers, large foundation stones, crushed rocks, gravel, and finally tightly fitted paving stones. Each layer was packed down hard. The road surface was curved slightly, so water would drain off the sides. Simple, smart, and built to last. But these roads weren't just about travel, they were a weapon. Roman legions could march 20 miles a day. Messages moved across the empire in days instead of months. Merchants carried wine, oil, pottery, linking Spain, Egypt, Britain. Roads connected not just cities, but power, culture, and ideas. In a way, Roman roads were the internet of the ancient world. Some became legends. The Appian Way, Via Appia, was one of the first and most famous. Built over 2,000 years ago, it ran straight across southern Italy. Parts of it still survive today. You can walk on the same stones Roman soldiers did. In fact, many modern roads in Europe and the Middle East follow the exact paths the Romans laid out. That's how good they were. These roads made trade easier, travel faster, and empire possible. And the techniques, layering, drainage, stone precision, are still used in road building today. So next time you're driving on a highway, think of the Roman engineers who paved the way, literally, using nothing but hand tools, muscle, and genius. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more stories from the past, here on Pixel Past.